Welcome to Homework Lib.
Given your function, h of x equals negative 32x squared over 50 squared plus x plus 200. Now, for part A, we want to find the horizontal distance that this is going to hit a maximum. So that's at x equals negative b over 2a, where your a is negative 32 over 50 squared, b is 1, and c is 200. So opposite b would be 32 over, no, it wouldn't, excuse me. Opposite b would be negative 1 over 2 times negative 32 over 50 squared. And so let's calculate that. Negative 1 over 2 times negative 32 over 50 squared is 39.0625. And that would be the horizontal distance in feet that you hit the maximum. The maximum height would be h of 39.0625. So that would be negative 32 over 50 squared times x squared, where x is 39.0625, plus x plus 200 be 219.53. At what horizontal distance from the face of the cliff will it strike the water? That is when the function is equal to 0. And so, well, what we can do here is the quadratic formula, which is opposite b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Be very careful how this would go into your calculator. Let's see what this comes out to. Negative 1 plus the square root of 1 squared minus 4a c all over 2a. We get a negative 91.9, which wouldn't make sense with the situation, but when we do the negative version, we get 170.02. From the cliff that it's going to hit the water. Now, if we graph the function, I'm going to do this with Desmos. And verify. So our function is negative 32x squared over 50 squared plus x plus 200. There's our graph. we want to verify our solutions. Well, the maximum was 39.06 with a height of 219. That checks out, and it hits the water at 170.02. Exactly correct. Since we're at the graph, I'll use the graph to answer the second part. When is it 100 feet above the water? So we could just graph y equals 100 and find the intersection. One of them is a negative value, which we're going to disregard because of the context of the problem. The other is at 135.7 feet from the cliff.